Welcome once again to the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel, the home of great residential and commercial architectural design to fit any style and budget. My name is Irene and I'm delighted to bring to you the Kenani mid 4-bedroom house plan. Before we proceed, I'd like to encourage you to take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much to us and is absolutely free for you. Yes, we bring to you great content at no cost, and we can only do this with your support. Turn on your notifications by clicking on the bell icon and you will be notified every time we put up new content. Let's get into the video. The Kenani mid 4-bedroom house plan is a big favorite of ours. This house plan creates a spacious home with huge windows that allow you to take full advantage of natural light. Those huge windows also allow you to take in the views all around you, right from the comfort of your home. This is a nice and big home with all 4 bedrooms en suite. It is perfect for a big family or a guest house if you want to make a living from home. There are 2 ways to get into the house. If you're driving in, chances are you will park your car in the garage and you can access the house from the garage. This house plan comes with a 1-car enclosed garage. You can also access the house through the front entrance porch. Both entrances bring you into the main lounge. The main lounge is very spacious with large windows that allow you to let in natural light and air. You have a cloak room tucked away on the far corner of the lounge, easily accessible and private for your guests. From the lounge, you have the staircase, and right at the back, you have your kitchen and your dining area seated side by side. The dining area is very spacious, with doors leading to the back terrace. The kitchen is equally as spacious, with a walk-in pantry for all your storage. There is a door leading from the kitchen to the side porch. On the other side, right in front of the garage, you have a laundry room and an ensuite guest bedroom. This guest room can also double up as the domestic servants' quarter. On the top floor, you have 3 all ensuite bedrooms. All the bedrooms have access to a balcony, giving you maximum 360-degree views from any of the rooms. The master bedroom is nice and spacious. Of course, it has its own private bathroom and it also has a walk-in closet. There is a shared study room upstairs that is accessible to all the rooms. The total area of this exquisite house plan is a total of 319 square meters, 177 square meters on the ground floor and 142 square meters on the upper floor. The plinth dimension of this house is 18.6 meters by 13.5 meters. The Kenani mid 4-bedroom house plan is ideal for a 1/4-acre piece of land. You will comfortably build this house and be left with more than enough land all around you. The approximate cost of construction for this house is approximately 11.5 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to work with, but keep in mind that a lot of factors affect the cost of construction, and that will differ in different parts of the country. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom house plan that is spacious with all bedrooms en suite, the Kenani mid 4-bedroom house plan is the right house plan for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you need to get in touch with us, we have provided our contact details in the description below. Stay safe. I'll see you in our next video.